A Haag-Streit Academy, EyeSuite, how-to video. Database backup and restore. Backup of the entire database. The user should ensure that the backup copy of a database is kept in a safe place. In multi-user mode, you need to have at least expert or maintenance permissions to create a database backup. The database can be backed up by selecting Tools, followed by Database, then Backup. EyeSuite starts the Backup Wizard dialog. This dialog is used to establish which backup strategy is to be used. The backup may either be stored in a single zip file, or in a backup file structure automatically created by EyeSuite. The zip option should only be used for single backup. Click on Next, before selecting the backup location. This might be a network folder, or external storage media. Click on Next to start the backup. The creation of the backup copy may take some time, as the database can be several gigabytes in size. When the backup is complete, click on Exit to finish the process. Restoring the database. There are two options to restore a backup. If the backup was created with an EyeSuite version prior to i7.0.1.0, it will have the ending BKP, and will need to be restored with the function Restore from BKP. For backups created with EyeSuite versions i8.0.0.0 or newer, the Restore function must be used. To restore a database, click on Tools and select Database, followed by Restore. You will be asked if you want to perform a backup before restoring. When the Restore wizard opens, you must select the restore type, before clicking on Next. You must then select the location of the backup, before clicking Next. The backup date is defined. Click Next to restore the database. Click on Exit to finish the process. You will see a message telling you the restore has been successful, and that EyeSuite will close to adopt the changes. Click on OK.